Hey guys, Jason back here with another vlog, and this time it's on Prescott, or Prescott, depending on how you pronounce it. So I had a pretty good time, kind of cloudy day, but got some awesome pictures with my new camera, the A7 III, that I've had for about a month, and I really enjoyed it a lot. Prescott is a town in northern Arizona. It's a lot different than the typical Arizona landscape that people think about. It's not all hot and desert. It's actually much cooler and there's a lot of trees. Hope you guys enjoy it.